is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Leesburg, Virginia. Here the gentleman's installing the drip edge, and also the ice and water shield was installed along the gutter line. Also the gentleman on the upper roof, he's getting ready to install the ice and water shield as well. Now you can see there's hardly any debris on the ground. We brought the dump truck right up to the house, and I wanted to show you a few things. Yeah, it's very windy out today. Hopefully you can hear me. But you can see we had to remove and replace some plywood. Now that plywood is rotten, not because of the flashing up along the wall, but instead there's a valley on the upper roof. And whoever installed the valley, they nailed the shingles. They placed nails too close to the valley center line, so the water was traveling underneath the shingles and dropping down behind the siding, and then it was settling at the lowest point. Now you can see there's really not that much debris on the ground as well. And I'll show you what the back looks like. Okay, now the reason why the back is very clean is because when we rip off the roof at the back, we try to carry over as much debris as we possibly can over the front and then dump it into the dump truck. Okay, we're going to be installing the ice and water shield along the gutter line. Once that's installed, then we're going to install the synthetic underlayment. All the pipe flanges are going to be removed and replaced. The skylight here, that's going to be removed and replaced with new. Then the ice and water shield will go around the skylight as well. And then after all the flashings are done, we'll be installing the new shingles. And then the final step will be installing the ridge vent. And once we're done with the job, we need to make sure the property is spotless and sweep the ground for any loose nails, screws, or staples. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in Leesburg and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.